Let me ask you something. When you picture time travel, what do you imagine? Probably machines, bright lights, some dramatic leap into the future. But the strange thing is, time travel doesn't actually require any of that. In fact, it's already happening, and not in a metaphorical way, in a measurable one. Einstein showed us something uncomfortable about time. It isn't fixed. It doesn't move at the same speed for everyone. If you move fast enough, time slows down for you. If you're near something massive, like a planet or a star, time slows down again. That sounds abstract, but we've tested it. Astronauts orbiting Earth age just slightly slower than we do. Not enough to notice, not enough to change their lives, but enough to measure. Which means two people can experience time differently, and both be right. And here's the part I find fascinating. Your phone depends on this. GPS satellites move quickly and sit in weaker gravity than we do. Because of that, their clocks tick at a slightly different rate. If we didn't correct for that difference, your location would drift off within minutes. So, every time you open your Maps app, relativity is quietly being accounted for. Time is being adjusted. We just don't think about it. Now slow that idea down. Two clocks, both accurate, both moving at different speeds. That means time isn't universal. It's influenced. It depends on motion. It depends on gravity. And if you push that further, imagine traveling close to the speed of light. Minutes for you could be years for someone else. Near something extreme, like a black hole, the outside universe could race forward while you experience only moments. From your perspective, almost nothing changed. From everyone else's perspective, everything did. So, what does that say about the way we experience time? We treat it like a steady river, always moving forward at the same pace. But the universe doesn't treat it that way. Time bends. It stretches. It behaves differently depending on where you are and how you're moving, which means what feels constant to us might just be local, personal, and maybe that's the quiet realization here. Time travel isn't some future invention waiting to happen. It's built into the structure of reality. We're just moving through it at nearly the same rate as everything around us. So it feels stable, but it isn't. And if ideas like this make you pause for a second and look at ordinary things a little differently, you might enjoy sticking around. There's a lot about reality we rarely stop to think about. And maybe the strangest part is this. While you've been watching this, you've technically aged at a slightly different rate than something else in the universe. Not enough to notice, but enough to be true.